The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 is not just another foldable. It is Samsung's boldest move yet, carefully designed to completely transform how people experience and use foldable smartphones in daily life. With a noticeably wider cover screen, a nearly creaseless inner display, and a much stronger focus on productivity, this device feels more powerful and more premium than ever before. For the very first time, the Fold truly feels like a normal smartphone when it's closed. The wider front display makes typing, scrolling, browsing, and everyday tasks much easier and far more comfortable. You no longer feel restricted by a narrow screen, which was one of the biggest and most common complaints about older Fold models. When you open the Z Fold 8, the experience becomes even more impressive and refined. The internal display is now almost completely flat, with the crease barely visible to the eye. This makes watching videos, gaming, streaming, and reading content feel incredibly smooth and deeply immersive, just like using a real tablet. Samsung is also focusing heavily on multitasking improvements. The wider layout allows you to run multiple apps side by side, drag and drop content smoothly, and work more efficiently than ever before. The Z Fold 8 is no longer just a phone. It is a portable workstation that fits directly in your pocket without compromise. This upgrade is also a smart and strategic move. With Apple rumored to launch its own foldable device in 2026, Samsung is making sure it stays ahead of the competition by directly fixing the biggest user complaints from previous generations. Samsung is clearly setting a new and higher standard for foldable devices before serious competition even arrives in the market. Samsung appears so confident in the Z Fold 8 that it is increasing production numbers significantly. For the first time, more Fold units will be produced than Z Flip models, showing that Samsung strongly believes people now want larger, productivity-focused foldables instead of smaller compact ones. The wider design does make the phone slightly bulkier in hand, but the trade-off delivers a much better and more complete experience overall. If Samsung clearly explains the differences between the various Fold variants, the Z Fold 8 could easily become the most popular Fold ever released. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is not about being small anymore. It is about being powerful, immersive, and truly practical in real-world usage. A phone that can confidently replace your tablet and significantly upgrade the way you work, create, and play every single day. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you watched, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I truly appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Peace out.